How to download Grab on PC. Grab does not have an official application for the desktop version, but you can still use it smoothly through an emulator. First of all, make sure you have downloaded an emulator such as BlueStacks, NOx Player, LD Player, or others, which are free and widely used. You can easily find the download files through their official websites. After the installation is complete, open the emulator app. Here I am using LD Player, which is similar to BlueStack. Once opened, click on the Play Store app. You will be asked to sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. This step is important because without signing in, you won't be able to download any apps. After signing in, use the search bar to look for the Grab app. When you find it, click on the install button and wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. Once the installation is done, you will see the Grab icon on your home screen. Just click on it and the app will open in a window ready to use on your PC. It will function the same way it does on your phone with all features available. And that's it. Now you know how to download Grab on PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.